Hey YouTube, welcome back. So yeah, today I'm going to unbox this. I think these are some of the 8-ounce glass bottle that my wife purchased, and then guess magnetic eyelashes that's in there. So yeah, let's go and then unbox it. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company, so let's go and then open this up and check it out. And this is made in China. It's like got stuck in there or something. Wow, this one's bigger. So you put your eyelashes over here, and then there's a magnet to hold it, and after that you sandwich on your eyelash, and then it's gonna stay. Wow. So there's a top and bottom. Wow, this case is even much better. And then there's a mirror. This one's pretty thick. So it's supposed to be top and bottom, so. Normally they have like a different color, but this one is all white dot. Gotta read the instruction real quick. I'm not sure what's this, like a eyelashes tattoo or what. So right here's the English. So red dot is supposed to be the top, and then the white dot is on the bottom. Okay. I don't see the red dot. Oh, so you look at over here on the inner side. And then you're gonna put this on the upper or the up. Oop. So yeah, this one is much stronger magnet compared to the expensive one that she purchased. So this is okay. So I think the white dye is for the right side. So left, right. So this is left. Let me check the bottom should be white. What? This one's red too. What the? So yeah, it's red. So okay, and after that you're gonna sandwich together, and then it's gonna join together, and your eyelashes will be in the midsection right here. Yeah, this is actually a nice design for the case. Let's go and then move on to this. It's a 16 piece of the 8-ounce bottle. Yeah, we try to avoid using the plastic, so yeah, she's into making the juice and everything, so and then they come with the sticker, so you can put the label on the bottle. Wow, it's so big. Come with the cleaning brush. Oops. It's a cheap foam brush. You know what? Yeah, probably wet it so it's more slippery to get in there, so. One, two, three, four, five. Huh? It's only 15. 3 times 5. What's 16? Come with the extra caps. Give you like a 4 on each size. Yeah, so I'm not sure. So it says 16, so I only see 15 bottles. Oh, let me see good to put this in. So yeah, once you sandwich together, it become like this, okay? And it's pretty thick. And if you want to separate them, you need to use your fingernail or some kind of to separate them like this, okay? Make sure you don't mix top and bottom together. Gonna put it back. This one is the bottom. So the top has more hair. Well, there you have it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. As always, peace.